Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how to hide apps on iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18. It is easier than ever. For instance, we're really hiding any app from our phone. So let's take an example of Instagram over here. What I'm doing is I'll tap on the app just like this, and some options will come up over like this. Okay, so what you need to do is select the option require passcode. Okay, it will require passcode, face ID, and you can tap on it, and then it will ask the option like hide and require password. Just tap on it. It will ask the iPhone passcode. Just what your iPhone passcode was, put on it, and it will go directly to the hide. It will go away from the desktop. Okay, now you must be wondering where the app has gone. You need to swipe back to the app library, and then you can see there's a folder, hidden folder. Okay, here what you need to do is just tap on the hidden folder, and it will again ask for iPhone passcode. Just pass the iPhone passcode, and then you will see the hidden app which you have mentioned over will be available to you. Okay, now how you can unhide it, just double tap again, and then there's an option here is don't require a passcode. Once you tap over it, it will again ask the iPhone passcode, and you can see that app is shown over here, but it will not shown into the main menu. Again, what you need to do here is just double tap on the app, and then add to the home screen button if you want that app to come again into the home screen. Okay, what you need to do is to add the button, and your app will show up again here. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, I'll appreciate it. If you want me to keep making the tutorials, please like, share and support. Thank you very much. Until next video, bye bye.